So let's run this code and check whether it is creating image or not. So we will click on apply, we'll click on save, okay, and we'll click on build now. So we can see console output. Okay, we got some error. Okay. We got permission denied error. So for that we need to copy this. We need to come to our terminal, paste it, and we need to give permission. Like we need to change permission for that. So we will change it like sudo chmod and we give 777 permission. So we gave permission to docker.sock. Now once again we will run and we'll check it. So whether it is happening or not. Again our code is running. So this time it is taking all the codes and all, and it is converting into image. So you can see it is using Python, SQLite, Redline, G++. So these things we have mentioned in our Docker file as well. Fetching packages. It is taking little time, please. So let me pause the video for some time. So guys, as we can see here, build was successful and image got created. So let's check it on our server. So here we can run Docker. So as we can see here, two images got created. One is with latest tag and one is with version v6. So that is build number we can see here, and this is like base image. So now our next job is to push this image on the Docker Hub. So for that we need to go to our job, go to configure, come down, and we will start writing code for that one. So for that will be in the third stage. So let me increase this one. So I will provide the third stage name. Provide steps. So to push a Docker image, first of all we need one DockerHub account. Okay. So this is our DockerHub account as we have already seen, and along with this we need credentials also. So that credential we need to save it in Jenkins only, so that we can use it in our stages. So for that what we need to do is, like, first of all we will apply and we will save it. We will leave it as it is as of now. We'll go to Jenkins dashboard, and here we will go to manage Jenkins, and we'll go to manage credentials. So first of all we need to create here a credential for the Docker Hub. So we will click on add credential. Here different options are given, but we have to go with username and password, and here we need to write username. So my username is like 0077 and password ID I will write Docker Hub, and even description also I will write the same thing, and I will create this credential. So now credential got created. Now again we will go to our job. So to use that credential, first we need to create one snippet. So for that we need to click on pipeline syntax, and here we should go with snippet generator, and in this option we need to search with credential option. So that will be in down somewhere. Yeah, this one. So we need to select this one. After that, from here we need to select username and password options. Yeah, separated one. And then here we need to provide username variable, so that variable we will be using in our pipeline script. So for username I will simply give user, and for password I will simply give uh, pass. So what Jenkins will do, it will bind this credential into this pass and user. Okay, and here it is already selected, we have only one. After that I will click on generate pipeline syntax. I will copy this code and we can use it in our pipeline. So in this I will paste it here. Okay, so here it is telling that here we can write our code. So I will simply delete this is not required. So what we have to do, first we need to log into our docker hub. So for that the command is sh login u, and to hyphen u, and to get that variable we need to use dollar bracket and then user, and then password will be hyphen p dollar bracket and then pass. So see guys, the Docker have binded that credential in this pass and then user in user. So and one more important thing guys, if we have to fetch some variable from the credential or a credential, then we should use double quote here, not single quote, then only it will fetch it. After that we can push the image. So for that we need to write docker push and our image name. So this is our image name. The second image name is this one. So this will push our image to Docker Hub. And the next thing is uh, let's run this command and see whether it is working or not. So we'll apply here. Let me format it properly. So we'll apply and we'll save it. And now we'll run it and we'll check it. So now it is building image. So we can see the console output also. Now image is getting built. So now as we can see here guys, by using our secret, it have logged into our Docker Hub. Okay, now it is trying to push the images. So we can see here the naming convention, and this is build number 7. So now it is pushing the first image. It is preparing the layers and all. Now it is pushing the second image. You can see here the tag latest, and it is success. Now our build is success and image got pushed successfully to our Docker Hub. Now we will refresh and we will check it. So as I told guys, a repository will get created with that naming convention only. You can see here, and we have the images. One is with version 7 and another one is with tag latest. Okay. So now I want to show one more thing here. I'm running Docker images. Then see, two more images got created here. So that is not correct, right? If we will keep running these things, then image will get accumulated and our memory usage will become more. So for that, we need to write here some logic in our pipeline so that the previous image should get deleted. As we build the new build, the previous images which got already created should get deleted. So now we will write that logic and we will see. So for that, first we need to go to our configure, and in the same stage after push, what we will do, we will add one more command here. So that will be like docker image rmi, and we will give the name which we want to delete that, because till here it will get pushed. So after pushing image, we don't need it on our local system, right? So for that, we will provide the name of the images which we want to delete. So we want to delete these two images, so we will provide these two names. Yeah. And we will apply and we will save it. So what it will do after after creating the images and after pushing it, it will delete that images from the local system. So we'll build it and we'll check it. So now it is pushing the second first image. And this is the 8th build. So now it is pushing the second image, the latest one, and it is pushed. Our build was success. Let's check it on our DockerHub. So let me, I have refreshed it. Go to repositories and open the repository, and here we can see this is the latest tag which got replaced, and this is the 8th build. Now we will see on our local machine. So if I'm running the same command again, you can see here 6th build, 6th image which we ran the first time, it is there, and the 7th build is there, but 8th one is not there, but here 8th one is there on our Docker Hub. So this is how it will clean up the images after it is getting used. So this is how we will clean the images, and we will keep our memory free. So this is how we will clean the images which is used, and we will save our memory also on our server. So thank you guys. Rest of the thing we will see in the next video.